Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find downloads on your iPhone. If you downloaded a file or photo somewhere, something from either the internet or your mail, you're going to want to look in these places to find that download. So let's get started. So let's say you downloaded something. The very first place to look at if it's a file like a PDF or Word document is on the Files app on your iPhone. It's a built-in app that's available for you to use, so go ahead and open it up. Now once you open it up, you'll see there's a browse option here or recent option. You may be able to just click on recent and see the recent one. Now, if you don't see it there, don't worry, just click on browse, and then if you go browse, there's a location called downloads right here. I have two different locations, but if I click on it, right, I can see the things that are being downloaded or that downloaded. As you can see here, these two files, it will show up here. So either recent, right, or just simply click on the browse here and at the look at these locations as well here. You can always search up that if you don't remember, if you know the name of it as well, and to see where it's located. Sometimes you also might end up saving it on your iPhone, so you can click on there to check it out as well and check out the folders like downloads here. It will also show you if you downloaded any files or documents there as well. Now sometimes in some cases, if it's a photo or something, it might actually go to the Photos app. So check out the Photos app and open up under recent, and anything recently that was downloaded in the Photos app and saved here will also be shown up here as well. There's another place to check. And that's how you find the downloads on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.